beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lady V, and if this is your first time to stumble on this channel, in this channel we talk about love, relationship, friendship and lifestyle. And in this particular video I want to talk about how to handle slander, how to deal with slander. So before we continue with the video, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe, and of course the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And if I'm a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you guys back to back. Thank you for always supporting Lady V. So let's talk about how to handle slander. First of all, what is slander? Slander is a kind of news that people talk about you that is not true. You know, people mistake slander from gossiping, rumors, or backbiting, on all of that. Rumors is a piece of information that people talk about you that may not be true. Backbiting is something that somebody talk about you that is actually true, but the person knows talking in front of you is going to hurt you, so they say it behind you. But slander is the worst of them, because slander is a false news, like it's actually not true, but still they talk about you. So it can be very hurtful when people slander your name, because the information is that they are defaming your character, because what they are talking about is slander is something that you did not do, or something that is not true about you, but people go around talking about it. So when people start bringing up slander against you, there are some steps you can take to avoid them, like to handle slander. The first point is for you to make your anger so expensive. Yes, make your anger so expensive that you will not even want to stir it up. Like you will pretend as if, because there are some people that they are so low, like like very stupid, that if you want to be angry about what they are saying about you, like you two just look stupid. Anybody that wants to hurt you, you are the only person that holds the key to your happiness. Like if you don't want somebody to hurt you, that person cannot hurt you. People only get you angry if you open the doors for them to get you angry. So if you want to handle slander, like just look the kind of person that is bringing up the slander against you, and you make your anger so expensive so that it not affect you. Yeah, make your anger so expensive, so that even if they slander your name, you will not even want to think about it. You will just like forget about them. Like they will talk in a short while and your thing will go. You make your anger so expensive, they will not get into you, and the slander will not affect you in any way. But if you want to make your anger so cheap, you will be so affected, you'll be tempted to reply them, and that is how the thing will escalate and it will lead to something else. So darling, make your anger so expensive so that they will not reach you. Your happiness can be cheap. It is free for you to be happy. You can happy for any reason, but make your anger so expensive so that not every low class person can make you angry, because it's only low class people that can slander somebody's name. So make your anger so expensive. That's the first point. Some way to handle slander is, don't take it personal. Like they can be saying things about you, you just weigh their level of stupidity, and you just say, oh, is their cup of tea. Anything that they want to say, they are free, because they are too immature, they are too stupid. Like, don't just take it personal, just take it generally, that they can use it. Anybody that is making it, you know, there is one man of God that said, if you have not grown to be talked about, that means you have not yet grown. That means if people have not started saying things, like things about you, that means you have not grown. So don't just take it personal. Just say, oh, they are free to do this because it's actually normal. If somebody is making it in life, obviously fake stories will come out about the person. So don't take it personal, darling. If they do it, just look back, oh, this one is exhibiting his or her level of stupidity, so it's okay. That means I'm making it. That means I'm going to the right direction. Because if you are living your life that everybody's praising you, everybody's appreciating you, that means there's something. No, that means there is something wrong that you are doing. There is something that is not right that you are doing. Because if everybody is appreciating you, that means you are living your life to please people. You are not pleasing yourself. Because if you start pleasing yourself, there are some people that would normally be angry. So if they start defaming your character, if they start giving you defamation of character, that means you are actually doing something that is right. That means you are actually heading to the correct direction. So my dear friends, just learn to don't take it personal. Just ignore them and just accept that it is their level of stupidity that they are exhibiting. So then the next point I want to talk about is for you to just press the ignore button. So if they start defaming your character, some people, they do it intentionally, like they want to do it, that they want to see your reaction, they really want to hurt you intentional. But if you answer them, they will take it. This is what is happening to our Cameroon community. You just sit like that, somebody have not done anything to you, you just start saying stories about the person. The person have not done anything wrong to you, you start doing something. But if you ignore, maybe you ignore, they say 1 2 3 times, you ignore, and the thing will die like that. But if you start answering, you come, this one will come up with video, this other one will backfire, this one will come up. That is how the thing will be escalating. But if you just press that mumu button, like you put it in that mumu dimension, they will not be able to continue the slander, because you cannot be insulted. You can, like it is said, if it is not two people that are involved, that means there is no fight. So you cannot say people fought and it's only one person that was involved in the fight. No, if people are fighting, it's actually two people. So if you want to get yourself involved in the fight, you will just be escalating things. So for you to just make them to look stupid, just press that mumu button, just put them in that mumu place and they ignore. If they say 1 2 times and you don't react, they will actually have to forget about it. So in conclusion, if people start giving slander about your name, it is very, very important, very vital for you to ignore. Yeah, it is very difficult to ignore. It is very difficult to ignore, because there are some kind of things that people will say about you that you want to react immediately. But if you react in that your state of anger, in that your anger is at its peak, you will do something, maybe you will sit after, you think that, oh, why did I do this? So for you to not to do something that will take you to the same level like the person defaming your character, just try to make your anger expensive. It is very difficult to control your anger, but try to show your maturity, because if you don't have some kind of level of maturity, you cannot hold your anger if somebody is saying something, especially something that is not true about your name. But if you don't have a particular level of maturity, you will not be able to hold your anger. Like somebody like me, my anger, if I never react, my heart no go. But if you have that level of maturity, that you have to ignore, like control your anger to prove that person is actually stupid. Like, because you don't have to explain yourself to anybody. Like if it is somebody that is mature that come to ask you about something, you can explain that this is the truth about this. But for you to react to the person that is defaming your character, you have to attain some level of maturity. Yeah, try to be mature, because if you just react like that and you like, everybody will see you people as they say you, that means you will reduce yourself to that person's level, which is not correct. So just try to make your anger expensive. Just see them as that is their level of understanding, that is their own means to show their stupidity. So don't try to do what they do, because they only make you to be stupid. Try to ignore. Like there are some people, like everybody, especially on Facebook, you have some friend requests that you have not accepted. Not because you don't have space to accept them, because you will see that, okay, if I accept this particular person, what can we discuss? Just evaluate yourself before you want to. For you to avoid slander, there are some kind of things too you have to put in place. First, before you want to get into friendship with somebody, reason your level of maturity with that person's level of maturity. Go and make a friend with one mumu person that tomorrow the person will feel entitled that you have to do everything for the person, that you have to consult the person. Like, yeah, I've made a video about that, like choosing a bestie. I've made a video about that. So try to weigh that person's level of maturity before you go into friendship, before the person start defaming your character if something does not go the way the person planned. And again, it is not everybody that comes to you as a friend that you have to accept as a friend. Especially on Facebook, you have friends requests that you have not answered. Like there are so many, like somebody like me, I have like more than 500 friend requests that I have not accepted. Why? Because I will look the person. If I accept this person's friend request, what are we going to be discussing about? Is it this person might only be asking me about my personal life that does not concern the person? Maybe it's one little child that you even want to like play with a person, and the child would just take you for granted and will be saying some kind of things that it is very hurtful, and you cannot reduce yourself to that child's level, so you just have to ignore. So for you to avoid such things, just try to stay away from some people that have that kind of myopic brain, like that that are so immature in brain. Ignore them. If they send their friend request, evaluate. If it is somebody that you can relate with, it's okay. But if you are already friends with somebody who have that kind of brain, you should know the kind of discussion to hold with a person. You should know the kind of things to discuss with a person. You should know the level of your discussion. So all in all, this is the short video that I want to drop this morning. Thank you so much for watching this far. Be very careful the kind of people you tell your secret. Be very careful the kind of people you are close to, and be very careful the way you react to some people for you not to be reduced to their cheap level. So thank you for watching this far. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, do well to hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe and turn on post notification so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. I'll see you in my next video, or you will see me in my next video. As for now, bye bye.